If you've ever felt stuck with Shopify's default page layouts, this video is going to change that. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add sections to any page on Shopify, so you can design your store exactly the way you want, no code required. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store, then select Themes. This is where you'll find all the design settings for your store. Next, hover over your current theme and click Customize. This opens the Shopify theme editor where you'll see your homepage layout and all the editable sections. Now, here's where the magic happens. On the left sidebar, click Add Section. You'll see a list of ready-to-use sections like image banners, product sliders, testimonials, and more. Choose one that fits your brand or the purpose of the page. For example, a featured products section to highlight bestsellers or an image with text block to showcase your story. Once you've added a new section, you can easily drag it up or down to rearrange the layout. You can also customize the text, images, and colors directly in the editor to match your brand style. If you want the same section to appear across multiple pages, go to the template view in the top dropdown. This lets you configure elements that affect multiple pages, not just one. Again, click Add Section and experiment. Maybe try an image gallery or a testimonial slider to build trust with customers. Don't forget the footer area. It's often overlooked but super valuable. Scroll down to the footer section in the theme editor, hit Add Section, and choose what you want to include, like a newsletter sign up, contact details, or social media links to keep your visitors connected. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to preview your changes. Take a quick look through your store to make sure the layout, colors, and spacing look just right. If something feels off, now's the time to adjust it. Finally, don't forget the most important step. Click Save at the top right corner of the theme editor. This makes your changes live for everyone to see. And that's it. You've just learned how to add and customize sections on any Shopify page. Your store now has a personalized, professional look that truly reflects your brand. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of tutorial you'd like to see next.